Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm tutorial we'll be checking circumference of a circle, how to calculate it in C#. Let's first add a new project and add a new project. Here I console app, and then the name of project I make it circumference circle. Yes, that's pretty much well. And then .NET 5, that's next. Now let's, in order to keep our console running, we have to write console read line. So if you want to calculate circumference of a circle, our formula is P, so we don't have P, P multiply 2 multiply and radius. Let me go and check it. Yeah, it is no, sorry, 2p and radius. Yeah, 2p radius is multiply. Let's try to put this one inside C#. Let's create a method first. I will say private static, and this time I will return double, and then I will say circumference of circle. Then we'll pass through double value. Let's say rad is radius. So we'll say return 2, and also let me here first declare our p number. I will say double p 3.14 should be this is our p number. Then I will say return 2 multiply p multiply and radius. That's the formula. So let's go here and write a console write, and let's say enter radius value, and let's here I will say double radius, and I'll say convert to double, and then I will console read line, and let's say console write line, and call our method. Let's pass through our radius, and let's see here we write circumference of a circle, or something like this. And I just want to tell you, for example, we put this double, but we have to put we can do like a const. Sorry, maybe const will be in the beginning. So const, it means a constant. Once we write the p number, we can never able to change it, because once we initialize it, we have to declare our number, and then we can never change it, because a p number is constant number, is stable, you know, and 3.14. So that's why I put a const here. And let's run our project application. Let's say our radius is 7. Sorry. Let's put our circumference circle as a startup project, and let's run it. And let's put 7, and circumference of circle, it was like a 43.96. That's the result. Thanks for watching guys, see you next video.